Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here. Team iFixItAll. So, the better things of life. So, what do you get when you work some magic up and you have a recipe and you want to make homemade banana pudding? What do you get? I'm asking. You get that? Would you just look at that? That is real bona fide homemade nanner pudding, excluding vanilla wafers, of course. Everything in there is from scratch. Unbelievable. Let's do the dance around this thing here. It's wonderful. Ooh. I'm going to go into a food coma after I eat this. I'm going to kill some of this tonight so bad. Look at that. What are you? A nanner slice. Man. So what is this recipe we're talking about? So you know when you're at a fast food place and you see the menu and you see the picture, then you get served your food and it looks nothing like the picture. Well, this is the way, well, this is the recipe. Let's get rid of some glare. Okay. You can pause the video if you like. I'm crinkling pages. Hang on. Glare. Glare. Okay. And you see this picture and you compare it. What's the fine print? The name of this cookbook is The Southern Living Cookbook. So there's the picture of what you think you're going to get. And that's much better looking than the picture. It's homemade banana pudding right there. Not bad. But you're like, okay, I'll try that. This, nah. Top shelf, 100% fit for a king. Unbelievable. I may not be able to do another YouTube after this. There's nothing that's going to top this. We shall see you. Thanks to all the women out here who still have this craft. You guys are great. Especially my wife. Talk to you later. See ya. Bye.